Where's Frodo? Where's Frodo, Jasper? Hi, Frodo. What are you doing in there? Can you get out? Come on, can you get out? Come on, Frodo.
Frodo, there's food out here.
What?
There's food out here.
Come on. Go grab one of those cans. Just crack the top.
Nope.
Okay.
Yeah, there's food.
Okay.